and welcome to another camper remodel. So today we are gonna rip out this old underbed storage and replace it with a shoe shelf. I pack a lot of shoes when I go camping, so everyone's always tripping all over them and they're all over the place. So we're adding a shoe shelf, which is also still gonna have some underbed storage. This is gonna be really nice because it's gonna keep things more organized. I'm gonna paint it a really cool color, so it's gonna look amazing, and we're still gonna have the storage. So let's go grab our tools and start building. I'm going to start by measuring the old storage area so I know exactly what size I can make my new shoe shelves. And I decided I'm gonna make this one bigger than the original one. For starters, we have to demo this, which is always the fun part. So we're just gonna rip out this old stuff and start fresh. Old storage, out. Now that I've got the demo done and I've got my measurements, I'm gonna start on my table saw and rip some boards down for my face frame. Then I'm gonna jump over to my chop saw and cut them to the correct sizes. So let's get going. I'm using my Craig pocket joiner as much as possible to hide my joints, and I love it because I can glue them, but I don't have to wait for the glue to dry, so I can keep working. I have another episode showing all about this joiner, so if you're interested in that, you better go check it out. This is the fun part. I'm gonna sit all of my face frames and pieces on my workbench and screw them all together. Make sure to use lots of glue. That will help things hold up over time, especially because this is gonna be in my camper. There we go, all glued and screwed. Once I've got all my face frames screwed together and glued really well, it's time to join them together. I use my Craig joiner again so that I won't see any of the screws or pins from the outside. Now I'm gonna cut my panels. I'm using 1/4" MDF and 1/2" birch plywood, depending on how thick my face frame is in the different places. You can totally get creative with this and make panels that fit your stuff perfectly. Whenever possible, I try to pin nail or staple from inside the cabinet so you can't see the holes on the outside. And then I don't have to putty them later before I paint. Now we're ready to sand, and then we can start priming and painting. I'm already so excited. This is turning out so amazing. We have sanded it. It's nice and smooth, and now it's for the fun part. I'm going to prime this, and then we get to paint it. Yay! Changed my shirt because it's time to paint, and I don't want to get paint on my white shirt, obviously. So our primer is all dry. I did a little scuffing, and now it's time to show you guys the paint color. Ta-da! I'm so excited. Here we go. is why I love the airless sprayer. Even coat every time. I'm so excited. This is looking so good. Now we'll let it dry and come back and do another coat. Okay, I let the paint dry overnight and it looked amazing. Now we are ready to take this in the camper and install it. I definitely cannot do this myself, so I gotta go grab some help. Stay tuned. Okay, here she is. This is actually gonna match my bedspread perfectly because it's kind of orange too. Wow, I didn't even think of that. All we have to do is screw it down to the floor, and of course I got some cute gold screws because they just look nice and I love gold. And I'm gonna use this extension on my drill because it's a little tight in there and I don't wanna end up scratching my brand new bed with my drill. Let's get screwing. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Woo! Okay, we are ready to put the top on now and then make our bed. Ah! Just perfect. Now this is nice. I'm just gonna screw the top portion onto my box because I don't have to lift this up anymore. Thank God. I always hit my head when I'd lift it up or it'd fall on me. Ooh, stab with a screw. Nice and tight. There we have it. A shoe shelf plus added storage, all under the bed so it's not in the way. I freaking love this and I'm so happy that we decided to make this today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any camper renovations, camping hacks, or you just want to see some fun content, hit me up in the DMs, and until then, happy building!